To use Home Depot perks online, start by signing in to your Home Depot account on their website. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage and following the registration process. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Home Depot Perks section, which can be found under your account information. Next, review the available perks and rewards that you are eligible for, such as discounts, free shipping, and exclusive sales. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of each perk to understand how to redeem them and any potential restrictions. To redeem your perks, add the eligible items to your online shopping cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the Apply Perks or Apply Rewards section, where you can select the perk you want to use. Enter the required information, such as the perk code or your membership ID, and click Apply to see the discount or reward applied to your order. Some perks may require you to have a minimum purchase amount or to use a specific payment method, so be sure to review the details before completing your purchase. Additionally, you can only use one perk per transaction, so choose the one that provides the most value to you. After applying your perk, review your order summary to ensure the discount or reward has been applied correctly. If you have any issues or questions, contact Home Depot customer service for assistance. To get the most out of your Home Depot perks, make sure to regularly check the website for new and updated offers, and plan your purchases accordingly. You can also use the Home Depot mobile app to access your perks and rewards on the go, and receive notifications about exclusive sales and promotions. By following these steps, you can easily use your Home Depot perks online and start saving money on your home improvement projects. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of each perk, and to plan your purchases strategically to maximize your rewards.